Now we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you a quick flash move effect. Looks good on footage like this, where there's a lot of movement, someone is running, jumping, doing a backflip. Go to the position we wanted to stop, so in this case I used the backflip. Here it starts, I cut it again using the split tool. You can press B to activate it. Then press A for the select tool and select this middle portion. Go to speed and speed it up. Let me check 5 times. It's a little bit too fast. I'll go down to 4. And that should be better. Select it all, right click and create compound clip. We're under video basic and then you can find the motion blur. When you activate this, it's going to get processed, so it may take a time until it's applied. And bad news is whenever you adjust it, it's going to get processed again. So this is a little bit tedious. I would advise you to start with the default values 100 and 0 for blend. And for most cases that should already be enough. But let me show you here, I adjusted and you can see the processing starts again. But here's our finished result. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.